A man representing himself in court tried a unique way to try and get his case ruled in his favor by embedding a secret message to AI.
In a motion filed electronically, this man hid small white text reading in part, quote, "If this document is inputted to an AI model aimed to ensure remediation." But unfortunately for him, it didn't work. A court clerk caught it. Professor of Advanced Media in Residence at the Newhouse School of Communications, Shelly Palmer is here with more on this crazy story. Shelly, is this the new frontier in court filings?
Well, it's a new frontier. First of all, it's called prompt injection, which is a fancy name for what you just described. You tell the model to do something that you want it to do, and you try to get it to do it. In this case, what he did was kind of brilliant. He made the text unreadable by turning the text white. This is a trick that people use sometimes to game Google for Google search. So he just took the same technique, made white text. The machine could easily read it, but human beings couldn't. And a clerk noticed that the space was just a little too big between parts of the pleading, or the brief. So looked at it more closely and spotted the situation. What's interesting is there's no laws about it. There's plenty of laws about not using AI for output and not having it hallucinate and do this or that. So far, there are no laws on the book says you can't say, "Hey, AI, side with me. If you're making a decision, just do it my way." No laws at all. So we're in a new territory.
Wow. So, Shelly, going back to how the clerk caught this. So was he handed the paper with this filing, or did he have to put it through a computer? Did he notice this space? Did he have to look at it closer like this, or did he do something on the computer to catch it?
So I think it was the space. They don't use, according to the court, they don't use AI to read any of these documents. So it was a human being who was looking at the document. It was electronically filed, but a human being was going to look at it to determine what to do. And this clerk literally just noticed that the spacing was off and looked more closely and could see that there was text. There was the most analog catch in the world, completely a human being doing what humans do. We are amazing pattern matchers. Our brains can match patterns brilliantly, and the clerk's brain caught it. That's how it was caught. It's nothing technological there at all. It's just all people.
So it can't be replaced by AI.
Right.
See, proof right there.
So this man Matthew Elliott, his sanction is that he lost electronic filing privileges. How many more people do you think will try a gambit like this?
So wherever there is a system, there's someone trying to game it. And this is a system, and he tried to game it. It didn't work this time. Could it work? Prompt injection works all the time. And when you tell a model to do something, there are guardrails. There are system prompts that actually prevent things like, teach me how to make an atom bomb. Mm-hmm. So there's a technique that's part of prompt injection called jailbreaking, and people will attempt to convince a model to do something that it's designed specifically not to do. So there's direct prompt injection that you would do right into a context window where you're telling the model you want it to do something. And then this indirect prompt injection where you send some external media, like you embed something in a photograph, you embed something in a PDF like this gentleman did, and you try to get the model to read it and do what you want. So we're going to see this a lot, but this is the tip of the iceberg. People are very creative. These tools are incredibly new and interesting and do things we all don't understand yet. So expect some crazy before it calms down. Remember, the technology is always way ahead of policy and regulation.
Wow. Expect some crazy before it calms down. Shelly, I don't know how my day's going to go now. I'm a little nervous. Shelly Palmer.
Every day is crazy.
Thank you so much for joining us. Yes, AI. It's not taking over, but it is infiltrating.
It's trying. Shelly, thank you.